The Industrial Revolution was a period of unprecedented change. It marked a shift from handcrafted goods to machine-made products. This era, beginning in the late 18th century, profoundly reshaped societies and economies. It was a time of innovation, with new inventions transforming industries and daily life. But the epicenter of this revolution was Great Britain. From there, it spread to continental Europe and North America. This period saw the rise of factories fueled by coal and steam power. It was a time of immense technological advancement. The Industrial Revolution wasn't a sudden event, but a gradual process. It unfolded over decades, with each new invention sparking further innovation. This era laid the foundation for the modern world we know today. The Industrial Revolution brought about a dramatic shift in economies worldwide. The focus shifted from agriculture to industry and manufacturing. This change was profound, altering the very fabric of society. Before the revolution, most economies were agrarian. People lived in rural areas, relying on farming for their livelihood. The Industrial Revolution changed all that. Factories sprung up, offering new employment opportunities. This shift from farms to factories had a significant impact. It led to the growth of towns and cities. It also created a new class of workers, the industrial working class. Factories became the hallmark of the Industrial Revolution. These large-scale production facilities, powered by machines, changed the way goods were produced. Mass production became the norm, replacing traditional craft-based methods. One of the key features of factories was the assembly line. This innovative system allowed for the efficient production of large quantities of standardized goods. Products like textiles, once made by hand, were now mass-produced in factories. The rise of factories had a profound impact on economy. It led to increased production, lower costs, and the availability of a wider range of goods. The factory system transformed the economic landscape. The Industrial Revolution triggered a mass migration of people from rural areas to cities. This phenomenon, known as urbanization, dramatically altered the social and physical landscape. Cities grew at an unprecedented rate, struggling to accommodate the influx of people. People were drawn to cities by the promise of employment in factories. This led to a surge in the urban population, creating challenges in housing, sanitation, and infrastructure. Cities became crowded, with slums developing on their outskirts. Despite the challenges, urbanization also brought about progress. It fostered the growth of new industries and services to cater to the expanding urban population. Cities became centers of innovation and economic activity.
The Industrial Revolution brought about significant changes in the nature of work. The traditional craftsman, working independently, was replaced by the factory worker, part of a large, often impersonal labor force.
This shift had a profound impact on the lives of working people. Factory work was often repetitive and monotonous. Workers toiled for long hours in often harsh conditions.
This led to the emergence of labor movements, advocating for workers' rights and better working conditions. Despite the hardships, factory work offered a new form of economic opportunity for many. It provided a steady income, albeit often meager, and drew people from rural areas seeking a better life. The
Industrial Revolution led to the emergence of a new social order. The traditional hierarchy, based on land ownership, was challenged by the rise of a new wealthy class, the industrialists and factory owners. This shift in power dynamics created social tensions.
The working class, although essential to the new industrial economy, often faced difficult living and working conditions. This disparity between the wealthy and the working class became a defining feature of industrial society.
The Industrial Revolution also saw the rise of a new middle class. This group, consisting of professionals, managers, and skilled workers, benefited from the economic growth of the era. They aspired to a better life and played a role in shaping social values.
At the heart of the Industrial Revolution lay a series of groundbreaking technological innovations. These inventions transformed industries, revolutionized transportation, and fundamentally changed the way people lived and worked. Each new discovery paved the way for further advancements.
The textile industry was among the first to experience the transformative power of new technology. Inventions like the spinning jenny and the power loom dramatically increased the production of textiles, making clothing more affordable.
The development of the steam engine by James Watt was a pivotal moment in the Industrial Revolution. This invention provided a reliable and powerful source of energy, powering factories, mines, and transportation systems. The steam engine became the driving force of the industrial age.
Section 8. The steam engine powering progress. The steam engine, a marvel of engineering, harnessed the power of steam to drive machinery. Its invention revolutionized industries that had relied on water or animal power. Factories could now be located away from rivers and production increased dramatically. The steam engine also played a crucial role in the development of the railways. Steam locomotives pulling long trains of carriages transformed transportation. Goods and people could now travel faster and farther than ever before. The impact of the steam engine extended beyond factories and transportation. It powered steamboats, revolutionizing river transportation and facilitating trade. The steam engine became a symbol of the Industrial Revolution, its power transforming the world. Section 9. Communication breakthroughs. The Industrial Revolution witnessed remarkable advancements in communication technology. The invention of the telegraph by Samuel Morse revolutionized long-distance communication. Messages could now be transmitted instantly across vast distances using electrical signals. The telegraph had a profound impact on commerce, news dissemination, and even warfare. It enabled businesses to communicate quickly with suppliers and customers, newspapers to report events in real time, and military leaders to coordinate troop movements more effectively. The development of the telephone by Alexander Graham Bell in the late 19th century further revolutionized communication. The ability to transmit voices over long distances transformed personal and business communication, bringing people closer together. Section 10. Transportation Revolution. The Industrial Revolution sparked a transportation revolution that profoundly changed the way people and goods moved. The development of the steam locomotive led to the rapid expansion of railways connecting cities and towns across nations. This facilitated trade and travel, shrinking distances and transforming economies. The invention of the automobile in the late 19th century, while not having an immediate impact, laid the groundwork for a future transportation revolution. The automobile promised personal mobility and freedom, though its widespread adoption lay in the decades to come. These transportation innovations, coupled with advancements in shipbuilding and navigation, facilitated global trade and exploration. The world was becoming increasingly interconnected, fueled by the technologies of the Industrial Revolution. Section 11. The legacy of the Industrial Revolution, shaping the modern world. The Industrial Revolution was a period of unprecedented change, leaving an indelible mark on human history. It transformed economies, societies, and technologies, laying the foundation for the modern world we know today. Its legacy continues to shape our lives in profound ways. The mass production techniques pioneered during the Industrial Revolution made goods more affordable and accessible. It led to the rise of consumerism, a defining feature of modern economies. The technological advancements of the era continue to influence innovation, shaping the tools and technologies we use today. The Industrial Revolution also brought about social and environmental challenges that we still grapple with today. The growth of cities, while fostering innovation, also led to pollution and overcrowding. The exploitation of labor during the era sparked social movements that continue to advocate for workers' rights. Understanding the Industrial Revolution is crucial to understanding the complexities of the modern world. Its legacy is a tapestry of progress and challenges shaping our present and influencing our future.